This is the day one activity for the building construction work. So first day we are doing the building setting out. With the surveyor is doing the job. First we are marking the grid line. This is the one direction grid line, like A B C D one grid, one axis, and this is the other axis grid line. You can see we mark like 1 2 3 4 5 6 both axis we mark here. This is the first activity. We can call this building setting out. And after the marking the both direction grid line, we are going to finalize we are going to the marking footing layout or exact location for the footing. We are marking that footing edge or footing corner for the excavation. So this is the first activity for start any building construction work or any construction work. First is building setting out or building layout, marking the building location, marking the building grid, and after that the footing or foundation position or location. If anywhere have the pile, then we, but here have we and this building, this is a 2 stories building, so there have only footing foundation. So we are marking exact the footing location